Welcome to the CAD school. This is Prashant Pawar, CAD consultant. This is the drawing that we are going to draft. So to start with, we will be drawing a rectangle of A4 size, that is 0, 0 to 97, 210 millimeters. Then go to draw a select ray, select a point, draw an horizontal and vertical lines, reference line. Then go to modify, select offset, 150 is the distance. Then to create a sharp corner, select fillet, radius 0. Then go to modify, select offset from endpoint to midpoint for the line of symmetry. Then again offset of distance 12. Then again offset of distance 82.50. Then offset, go to quick calculator to calculate 93.75 divided by 2 is equal to, this is the answer. Apply, enter. Then go to draw, select ray, now fillet of radius 0 multiple times. Then again fillet of radius 22.50, that to multiple times. Remove these unwanted lines. Then now we are going to draft this portion of the drawing. Go to modify, select offset, the distance of the center point is at 15. Then offset on both the sides 95, half of 95, that is 45 on both the sides. Then fillet radius 0 multiple times. Then trim circle, midpoint off, and radius is 32. Then again trim, select this circle to remove this portion of the line and select this line to remove this portion of the circle. Enter and remove. Now to locate the center points of these three circles, offset of 60. So go to draw construction line, offset 60. Then offset of 26.25 on both the sides. Trim. Remove these lines. Circle at the end point of diameter 14. Go to modify, select array, path array, select this circle, path, then use method divide. Items are already 3 in the command line menu, so enter and enter. Since these circles are associated with each other, go to modify and explode. Then modify, select offset, offset distance 16.5 minus 14, that is 2.5 divided by 2 is equal to 1.25. So this is the drawing we have drafted. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.